Today, let's talk about a company that was facing significant challenges just a year ago, Huawei. Back then, they were releasing high-end smartphones in the 4G era, even though they were a major provider of 5G components. Regulatory issues kept them from implementing 5G in their own devices. However, Huawei successfully reintroduced 5G in their latest offering, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, featuring a 5G chipset. But that's not all. Huawei has set its sights on something even more groundbreaking. They've recently unveiled the world's first 5.5G equipment solution, also known as 5G, an advanced version of 5G technology. While the world transitions from 5G to 6G, 5.5G is set to revolutionize mobile communication. Huawei claims that 5.5G could deliver network speeds up to 10 times faster than current 5G networks, with download speeds reaching up to 10 gigabytes and upload speeds up to 1 gigabyte. This is a significant leap forward. What's more exciting is that Huawei plans to incorporate 5.5G technology in their next flagship smartphone, likely the Huawei P70 series. Considering the company's journey from struggling with 5G to becoming the pioneer of the advanced 5.5G network is remarkable. They are not just catching up, they're leading the way. In addition to their technological advancements, Huawei has also emerged as the top player in the world of patents. In the Patent Index 2023, Huawei secured the first position in the total number of 5G patent families, leaving industry giants like Qualcomm and Samsung trailing behind. This news marks a significant milestone in the evolution of mobile communication technology. Huawei's journey from setbacks to innovations is a testament to their resilience and determination. What are your thoughts on Huawei's leap into 5.5G technology and their dominance in patents? Share your opinions in the comments below. Peace out.